Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing R2. We have issue 75 right here, and we have our parts. And it looks like we are going to begin construction of another ring for the internal supports, but let's go ahead and get it open. Let's see what we got. All right, here are the pieces we get with this issue. These are all part of the middle ring section, and of course these ring connectors here. These two pieces are actually not identical. This one's B14, this one's B15. You can tell, BF 14 and 15. You can tell with the writing which is which, and they go in this orientation. Alright, to assemble it, you're definitely going to want the thinner 4mm silver screws. These are 2mm wide. And we're going to attach these pieces just like with all the others, with the ring connector going on the underside. And you just fit them together just like puzzle pieces. And you do it for all three connections. Alright, with all the pieces in place, this is what the ring frame is going to look like. And now it's time to bring out the rest of the internal frame. Alright, for this next bit, you're going to need 4 of the 8mm screws and 4 of the 4mm screws, all of them the thicker ones, the 2.5mm wide. What you're going to do is you're going to take the frame here, and we're just going to set it on top. And you can see the spacers line up with these larger holes here. That's where the 8mm screws are going to go. And these supports down here are going to line up with these 4 holes, and that is where the 4mm screws are going to go. Alright, and with all of those pieces in place, everything is connected nice and neat and looking superb. And that actually completes this stage. And there you have it, everyone. Yet another piece added to this internal support. Everything is looking wonderful. And with the completion of this stage, we are now officially 3/4 of the way complete with this model. That makes me both excited and a little bit sad knowing that the end is coming soon. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.